5 seconds. Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank all the honorable members who have taken part in this discussion and given their good suggestions on the electoral reforms. Sir, this bill was first presented in 1985 when the Punjab elections were held. Again, an ordinance was issued and it was allowed to lapse in 1991. The then Minister for Law and Justice, Sri Goswami, wanted a detailed electoral reforms bill. He appointed a group under his chairmanship who had gone certainly deep into the matter. This group also discussed this matter, which is a part of the bill that is pending before the other house. It was prepared in 1991 by him. Again, the Election Commission discussed this with all the political leaders and they had come to the decision that it should be passed. The government issued the ordinance. Because of holding of the Punjab elections, there was no way for us except to go in for this ordinance. In the recent elections, the violence has taken the lives of so many people. Mr. Speaker, sir, out of 25 votes, elections were countermanded only in 4 from Punjab because of the death of the candidates. Taking into account the seriousness, the government had no way except to go in for the ordinance which is before the House in the shape of this bill. So I request the House to pass it. We have gone into the matter thoroughly well. I must pay regards to my predecessor Sri Goswami who took a lot of interest and went deep into the matter. He had come to the house with 4 bills. Out of the 4 bills which he has presented in the lower house, one is about the service matters of the election commissioner. The second one is about the delimitation and rotation of scheduled caste seats which is still pending. The third is how to appoint the chief election commissioner. About this, I want to go along with a detailed bill that we propose to have. This will be taken up first. The reforms will come after I meet all my friends from the opposition.